Hello lovelies, welcome back. What shall I achieve the chicken potato pepper soup? So I added the chicken, salt, pepper, seasoning, powdered onion, spices for pepper soup, garlic. I'll cover and steam it on low heat for 15 minutes. So I added my sweet blended pepper, onion, crayfish. So I added water and I gave it a good stir. All my returning subscribers, I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you for the like, the share, the comment. May the good Lord bless you. So I'll cover and cook it until it is cooked. So here it is cooked. I added some potatoes that I was having. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and join the family. Turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload, you will be notified. So I gave it a good stir. I added some salt and I added some of the pepper soup seasoning. I gave it a good stir. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. Follow for more amazing videos. So yeah, I came to check on the potatoes. If they are cooked, they are cooked. So I garnished it with basil leaf. Have you ever tried your pepper soup with basil? So I covered, I have the gas. Yeah, it's ready. Thank you for watching. I serve. Look at that. Enjoy. See you in my next video, guys. Bye. Thanks for tuning in.